Without question, I was not feeling my normal self with my wife and kids. I was angry at times, wondering why. Would the pain go away? Would I be able to continue to work and do my job? I couldn't function. I couldn't really do anything at that point. From the nerve pain and the numbness and the weakness in the arm, it was pretty much unbearable. I live in Windermere, Florida. About to start my 21st year on the PGA Tour. I have a wife and 2 daughters. Went to the University of Florida, played golf there, and been playing golf since about the age of 10.
I'm Kimberly Gay, the wife of Brian Gay, who plays on the PGA Tour, and it really is a family business for us. In 2008, he had his first victory on the PGA Tour. In 2009, he won 2 times in 14 months. So I didn't think there were any problems. Everything seemed great. And so we were so busy with life on the road, life at home, trying to make it work in every capacity, so we swept it under the rug.
I started having neck issues in 2008. That was when I first actually went to a spine surgeon, specialist. Muscle spasms, pain, things that would prevent me from playing golf, where I'd have to take medications, get certain different types of therapies to alleviate the pain so I could continue to play.
Well, as a wife, you worry about what's happening to your husband. We were just hoping that it was just a temporary thing, maybe some muscle soreness, a little bit of problems here and there, but it was just part of what he does after repetitive motion. However, it seemed to get worse and worse.
Early on, it was range of motion issues as far as swinging a golf club. The nerve pain and numbness came later, because at that point I was unable to play golf.
He is a very guarded person, and to see him with tears in his eyes, not knowing what's going to happen next, and seeing that fear. And that was when we got very serious about the situation and said, we have to figure this out. We have to see what we can do to help.
The day of the surgery, I went in very early in the morning, got prepped up for the surgery, and it was only like 30 or 40 minutes. My wife couldn't even get there soon enough before I was out. It was that quick and easy.
I really couldn't even go get coffee before the surgeon was coming out to tell me that everything had gone great.
I didn't stay in the hospital. I walked out of there, no neck brace or anything. All the nerve pain completely went away. As soon as I came out of surgery, it was gone.
It was just so much easier than we had ever thought even possible.
A few weeks after surgery, we went on a family trip and I drove a snowmobile. And at about 7 weeks after surgery, I had the all clear to literally do anything I wanted to do. Post-surgery, I was able to get back out on the tour. Without question, it was 100% success.
There was some debate about what procedure should happen. And in doing that, we chose the prodisc technology. And as a result, he's probably played some of the best golf of his life. Doing the surgery really was a life-changing experience.
I have no restrictions. I can do anything I'm capable of doing.